So you want to start an LLC? Great. Here are the 3 things you need. My name is Matt Newsom. I am an attorney licensed in Iowa. The first thing that you need is articles of organization. This is a simple 1 to 2 page document that outlines the basic organizational structure and includes the information that needs to be shared with the public. You'll register with the State Secretary of State, so in Iowa, the Secretary of State of Iowa. However, don't do that yet because you need to do the other 2 things first. The second thing that you need is an operating agreement. If you look at the laws for an LLC in the state of Iowa, it's very small, only about 44 pages printed out. The reason why the laws can be so simple and short is because most of the operation of the LLC is governed by a contract, which is called an operating agreement. An operating agreement spells out all the specific details for your organization. This structures how it's going to run. So, for example, if you want to add a new owner, if you want to set a policy for distributing profits to owners, if an owner dies or retires or wants to sell the business, all of these processes are spelled out in the LLC operating agreement. So this is a very important document to have for your organization. The third thing that you need is a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business that will accept service for your business. And what I mean by service in this case is if you need to be served important legal documents. For example, if you're being named in a lawsuit, that information needs to be public information that an attorney, a law enforcement officer, something like that can look up and find about your business. Banks will also look up this information and others. Some businesses use their business address as a registered agent service. You may or may not want to do that. That's your choice. If you have a home-based business, you might want to use your home address as a registered agent, or you might prefer to keep your home information private. In that case, you would sign up for a registered agent service, which can be as little as about $50 per year. Once you have all of these 3 things, then what you need to do is you add the registered agent information to your articles of organization and upload that to the Secretary of State. However, I strongly suggest having an attorney help you with this. If you meet with an attorney like me, but there's a lot of great attorneys that you can choose from, they're going to ask you questions about the structure of your business with the hopes of understanding the risks that you might face. For example, if you're a partnership, partnerships can be very risky because there can be disagreements on how you're going to distribute profits, how much money you're going to keep in the business, what you're going to do about special tax situations that affect one partner more than the other. So these are questions you might want to answer. If you are a single owner business, you still have some important questions to answer. For example, what happens if you want to bring on a new member sometime in the future? What happens if you want to retire? What happens if you want to sell your business? These are things that an attorney will ask you about and help you make a plan for. You do not need an attorney. You are welcome to file your documents with the Secretary of State by yourself. If you do have an attorney, you can expect that your attorney will do this for you. If you'd like to learn more about starting an LLC, I would love it if you would contact me. You can find me online at iowabusinesslawyer.com, and I would love to help you. Thank you.